In this video, we are going to find the slope of a straight line that goes through these given 2 points. One is -3, -0.25. Another is 0.35, 4. The main objective here is to use the concept of slope and how to find slope for points that have decimals in it, because some students have difficulties manipulating decimals and stuff, so we are going to deal with those here. Let's get started. To find the slope of a straight line, we need to use the slope formula, which is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now I have taken the given points, which is this, and labeled it right here and created a sketch. Now we need to label these points x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So I'm going to call this point my x1 y1. So this is my x1 comma y1, and I'm going to call this one my x2 y2. Now all I have to do is take these points and plug it into the formula. So if we do so, what we get is this. My y2 is 4. So 4 minus, so I'm going to use a different color to show that it's actually coming from the formula. So this minus actually comes from the formula. Minus y1. So what is my y1? Look, this is my y1, negative 0.25. So I'm going to put it inside the parenthesis, negative 0.25. Similarly, x2 minus x1. x2 is 0.35, 0.35. Now minus, this minus is coming from the formula. Then I put inside the parenthesis because there is a negative sign, x1, which is this and this, negative 3. Now all I have to do is simplify these numbers. So m is equal to 4, negative and negative, two negatives multiplied is going to make it positive, 4 plus 0.25 divided by 0.35. Then negative and negative multiplied is going to give me positive, which is going to be 3, is equal to 4 plus 0.25 on the numerator is going to give me 4.25. Then 0.35 plus 3 is going to give me 3.35 in the denominator. Now note that there are 2 digits after the decimal here. So look, after the decimal, 2 digits on the to the right in the numerator. After the decimal in the denominator, 2 digits on the right of the decimal. So we can just simply get rid of the decimal and put 425 over 335. Now we can do some simplification. We notice that both of these numbers end in 5. So it must be the case the numbers are divisible by 5. Remember, any number that ends in 5 or 0 is always divisible by 5. So 5 goes into this, 5 goes into 42 8 times, remainder 2, then 20, bring down the 5, 25, so 5 goes into 25 5 times. Similarly, 5 goes into 33 6 times, remainder is 3, bring down the 5, makes it 35, 5 goes into 35 7 times. So the slope of this line m is equal to 85 over 67. So the slope that I have been looking for this line, m is equal to 85 over 67. Now keep it in mind that this slope is positive, meaning as you go from left to right on the graph of the line is going to go up, as you can see here. So the line goes up as you move from left to right. And it also says that if you move along the, so 85 over 67 slope, if you move along the horizontal axis 67 units, let's say, you'll move vertically up 85 units. That's what the slope says. Or you could write 85 over 67 as 85 negative divided by negative 67, because these two numbers are the same. Now look, that says if you move to the left 85 units along the x-axis, okay, you'll go down vertically. Sorry, if you move along the x-axis, not 85 units, it's rather 67 units. So let me just correct this. 67 units, you'll move down 85 units. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.